puso ko'y nahihirapan na. Ano pa bang pwede kong gawin na uubra upang maakit siya? Palagi kaya ako ng tato, magpatubo ng balbas ang uso, magpalaki ng
Open your Filmora 15 and add all your video clips on your editing timeline. When your vlog is roughly cut, you can now start adding transitions. Go to Transitions and type in Film Frame. These film frames comes in different number of frames and timing, so you can try all of them and pick whatever suits your video. It will automatically pick a part of your video to put in picture frames and flash them quickly. Transitions can also be added on a separate video clip, not just in between clips like this. I like to adjust my transitions to match the beat. Let's move on to another set of transitions. Type in box flip. I really liked this part right here where I used box flip 4 transition in between clips where we were opening a box of donuts. The transition turned out smooth. Again, it won't hurt to try these transitions, so just experiment and choose whatever suits your video. Lastly, I used light leaks or light streaks transition in this part of the video. Once you're done, you may now export and enjoy the results. Download Filmora 15 today. Link in description below.
Kahit ako'y nagmumukhang tanga, ay ayos lang basta kasama siya. Kahit sabihin pa ng iba, nababaliw na akong talaga. Kahit merong ibang nagcha-cha-cha, nagrurumba, nagsasalsa, pwedeng sabihin nyo to sa kanya. Ang puso ko'y nahihirapan na. Ano pa bang pwede kong gawin na uubra upang maakit siya?